Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our 6th chapter, that is conservation of biodiversity. Okay, so already I have explained about that, how the conservation of the biodiversity, and especially we have discussed about that biodiversity, and also I have explained about that what is the forest and what is the deforestation. Okay, and why you should conserve that biodiversity already I have explained. But friends, today we are going to discuss about that, what are the causes of deforestation. Deforestation means what? Cutting the jungle, cutting the trees, damage the forest, so that is called as deforestation. Okay, so what are the main source, what are the main regions to cut or the deforestation? Okay, so let us see that what are the causes and you have to discuss. The various man-made causes of deforestation are, especially I have already explained to you. Friends, first thing is the increasing of the populations in the world. Okay, so nowadays day by day what happening, that rapidly that population of that in the world increasing. Yes, so for them it needs clothes, foods, shelters. So for that we are depending and we are removing and we are cutting the trees, and we are making that roads, we are making that furnitures, and we are especially we are depending upon the plants. After that we are cutting the trees. So these are the main things. So what are that actually main points we have to discuss in this? Construction of the houses and industries. So these are the points, sub points for that. Because construction of the houses, because if that population will increase, then for them houses it needs. So more houses for more area required, more place required, and also for them house purposes, what are the material required, and we are depending upon the also woods, and we are cutting the trees. So construction of houses and industries, day by day it is increasing the houses and also industries. Clearing land for the agricultural purposes. If we need that more members are there, increasing that populations, we need more food. So if we need more food, we want more area to cultivate. So that's why what we are doing, we are jungle or the forest, we are cutting the trees and making the our what agricultural field. Using wood as a fuel. Friends, in you have local that our rural area people, they are what, they are depending upon that jungle and they are cutting the trees for that cooking the food. So as a fuel. Okay, so wood we are using as a fuel, so that's why we are destroying the jungle or forest. And other things, using wood to make a paper, furniture and other things, that purposes also we are day by day. For that our population needs also what, for reading, for studying or making that books, notebooks purposes, papers needs, that is made by the also trees. So thousand trees every day we are cutting for making the papers. So that's why it is also one of the. Deforestation also occur naturally due to the forest fire, earthquakes, severe drought and floods. Not only that it is destroyed by that human beings, it is also naturally also due to natural calamities that forest also destroying. What are that? Especially suppose earthquake. If that earthquake will come, that total jungle will, forest will go underground. Okay, so it will buried under the surface, so under the earth. So that's why it is also one of the earthquake. Second one is severe cyclone, or if it will be naturally earthquake and a forest fire. You have seen that Amazon nowadays, you have seen that fire till now it is catching that fire due to that what, a jungle, that is called as a forest fire. That means wood with, if it will crush and will get the heat and then it will catch the fire. So now before that Australia one of the forest damaged totally deforestation due to that forest fire, and also now Amazon also most of the area totally finished and damaged or deforestation due to that forest fire. So it is also one of naturally things. Next things, by the flood and severe drought and flood, if water not there, rain not there, automatically all the plants will die. And if more cyclones are there, then it will be damaged, and cyclones due to that air, and it will be twist and it will be damaged. By that way, naturally and by man-made things way, that forest is destroying. Okay friends, but if it will destroy, what will affect to our human beings or to the atmosphere or to our society? we have to discuss. Okay, that is called as what is that a consequence of deforestation. What will affect to our environment, or what will affect to our atmosphere, or what will affect to us or human beings. The level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increasing on account of deforestation, resulting in global warming. So main thing, so if the deforestation it will occur, then what will happen? That plants are releasing that oxygen gases. Yes or no? So it will be control that our ozone layer, and it will be protect to us from the sunlight. And that's why what will happen, if that oxygen gas level it will decreases, then what will happen? The sunrise, whatever the ultraviolet rays are coming from the suns, it will directly reach to the earth, and then after that earth will receive and more hot will become. And also carbon dioxide gas will be increased day by day. Then which one is called as will affect the global warming. Okay. Second, it leads to increase the temperature and pollution level of the earth. This disturbs the water cycle and reduce the rainfall, result drought. So friends, whenever that will destroy that forest, if will deforestation it will do, then rain won't come, because when the rains will come, that air or that our rains, that water droplets it will touch to that plants or trees, then that rain will come. But if there is no plants, no trees, nothing is there, then on that particular area there won't be rain. So again what will happen, the temperature will increase. If there area no trees, that means that area temperature will increase. Okay. Deforestation result in the soil erosion. Friends, if there suppose tree not there, plants any tree not there, anything in that area, when that rain will come, that time what will happen, that all soil will move, flow that one place to other place. So that means soil erosion will come. When that air breeze will flow, that time blow, that time also the soil will move. So that is also called as also soil erosion. Okay. So this process conversion of the fertile into the desert is called desertification. That means that area will become what, just like a desert, because that upper layer or whatever the grass or whatever it is affecting, that it will flow, and a total area will become just like a plantless, treeless. That time will become like a desert. That is called as what, a desertification. That means which one, fertile land, whatever that land is ready for that plants, that plants will, if it will finish, then what will become, it will become as a desert. That is called as a desertification. As a result of deforestation, groundwater level also gets lowered. Friends, you know that in the ground, whenever the rain will come, that almost all water will enter to the ground, and it will store as under that our ground. Then when the plants, what will be, plants will take this water, and that source it will stay layer under the layer. But if there are plants not there, then that water source will go down to down, and you won't get that water. Okay friends, these are about that consequence of the deforestation. What are the effects to that our atmosphere or human beings? Okay, so next we will discuss about, friends, what is the fauna and flora. We will discuss in the next classes. And about that recycling, how that it will be recycled we can make, that we have to discuss in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.